Good day guys, Canin8 Aquatics here, and today I'm gonna tour you to my simple pond setup here in the Philippines. And as you can see, my tubs right here are very clear because with the help of this kind of plants, it can make your tubs clearer than crystal clear. And as you can see, my platies are all well and alive because I feed them baby brine shrimp decapsulated, as well as this tub right here. And I also feed them with baby brine shrimp decapsulated, so that the water, if they don't eat the rest of the baby brine shrimp, it will not pollute the water, because baby brine shrimp decapsulated do not pollute water. So as you can see, I have many tubs right there, circle basins, and I'm gonna show you the rest of my basins so that you can ask questions on the comment section if you want to ask something about guppy breeding. So here are my yellow tiger mosaic guppies, and as you can see, they are all alive and well. They're all active, I should say. They're right there, you see, my friends. And here are my mixed strains guppies. They're not pure breed anymore, they're not pure strain anymore, because it's been mated with different kind of strains. But nevertheless, they are all stunning. Their color is so stunning. They're like gold, they're like bluish. And here are my quality guppies that I'm selling. This strain called Blue Panda. They're right there, my friends. And as you can see, I have a lot more here. These are cheap oval basins that I bought from mall. You should try and ask if you have this kind of oval basins at the stores. So as you can see there, these are my guppy breeders. So later, if you want to ask some questions, just drop at the comment section and I will answer those questions tomorrow. These are, so if you are wondering, this is my trapal pond, guys. It is made out of fruit crates and tarpaulin. These are my grow out. So I will make a content about guppy breeding soon if this one video go viral.